Let me show you how you guys can reactivate your Twitter account after 30 days. Now simply just log in into your account and it'll be reactivated. Come into Twitter's official website or just open Twitter's app and just on its login page, enter your email and click on next, and then it's going to ask for the password. Click on login after that and it's going to say reactivate or not. You want to click on yes reactivate option and it'll be reactivated. Now Twitter usually says after 30 days it's going to delete your account, but even after 30 days, you can still activate your account. Now this is how it works. After 30 days, it's going to put your account into deletion. But if you are within that 90 days or the 3 months time period, then your account could be reactivated just by logging into it. But after 90 days, it's going to be guaranteed deleted. So this is the only way it works. So you have to make sure you're trying to reactivate your account within 90 days. And this should work. Hope I was able to help you guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.